was an early start for us. 4:30 a.m.
Yeah, we're up at 4, picked up at 4:30.
And then in the bus, like for 2 hours, 3 hours almost.
Yeah, I think it's been 3. We're going on the Lake Humantay. See the snow mountains up there?
Oh, there, you can see the mountains.
It's freezing and it's cold. Packer to keep me warm. First kilometre's easy. The next 2 kilometers 45 degree. The last kilometer is steep. Now we start the hike. We're going up there.
It doesn't feel like yesterday. Yesterday the air was more heavy than today.
Lighter or heavy?
Yesterday was heavy, today is like lighter. And we can see the snow already. So cool.
So these are the coca leaves, and they use them up in the mountains to help with the altitude sickness. They're just chewing them, and it's supposed to help when you're climbing mountains with the altitude.
This is not that easy.
Why not?
So stiff, but I think that this is not a stiff part. What do you say?
No, I think it's worse at the end.
So they were saying
The last
45 and then 65, no?
degrees, yeah. The last kilometer.
Okay, we have to catch our breath, and we are ready.
Think we're halfway yet?
I hope so.
It's getting tough.
I know.
Tengo mi bastón.
Muy bien. Let's
Vamos.
go. Do you think that we are close?
We gotta be close. One more pass, I reckon, over the next one. Are we here? Wow. Look at that. That is amazing. Like, look at that.
And this is the Laguna Humantay.
Incredible. Look at just like the snow mountains, crystal clear lake.
Some waterfalls.
You can see the waterfall running down.
Yeah.
So this is a sacred lake for the Incas, so we're not allowed to go in the water. It's the second most sacred site in Peru. Well worth the hike. Did you get that?